guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, good evening everyone. So ito na po si MR.fashionista. Ito yung face reveal. Face reveal ko po ito ngayon. So I just wanna flex my teeth po. So thank you so much po sa nag-sponsor, ma'am. Thank you so much po, ma'am, sa pag-sponsor sa akin. So
Sana all.
ito yung look ni na beauty ni MR.fashionista ngayon. So by the way, tonight we're going to have a unboxing, guys, no. Mga unboxing po tayo sa Christmas tree natin, guys, na bumili sa sa TikTok na binili ko po. So ito siya, guys, dito siya, mura lang po talaga. If you want to buy this, just click lang po sa link na yan na nasa description. Just click lang po dyan, nakalagay po dyan na i-click nyo yan, guys, no, i-click nyo yan. And then kasi nga Christmas is coming, so bumili na po kayo ng Christmas tree para mas happy ang Christmas.
Oh my God!
So guys, no, for tonight, balik naman ka, guys, no. So keep on watching, guys. If you have any question, so if you have a question, guys, or comments, just comment na po kayo sa comment section para malaman natin, guys, kung anong problema nyo. Cheers! So guys, keep on watching. If bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and of course, don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates and videos. So guys, keep on watching! So, anong masabi nyo? So, if you have any questions, so if you have a suggestion po sa sa Christmas tree, so kung ano po talagang masasabi nyo, kung worth it po ba yung Christmas tree, so just comment na po sa comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, and of course, please like this video, no, like nyo po ito. And then, by the way, so dito ko po siya nabili, guys, no, ito po siya, guys. Pero if you want to buy talaga sa Christmas tree, so just click na po sa link na po na binigay ko sa description, guys, no, nakalagay sa description. So guys, advance Merry Christmas everyone. So keep watching. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and God bless everyone, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye.